Alright, time to do some wood chemistry. I'm going to make some ebonizing solution today. Here's your ingredients: vinegar and steel wool, and a glass jar. So the way this works is that the iron in the steel wool and the acetic acid from the vinegar will react to create iron acetate. And iron acetate reacts with the tannins that are naturally in wood to create a darker color. So tannins are an organic compound found in all kinds of different plants and things. It's used to tan leather. There's tannins in red wine. There's tannins in this river, Tequamatin Falls, in Upper Peninsula, Michigan, where a cedar swamp drains through the area and it turns the river as this brownish color. Oak, walnut, and mahogany have a lot of tannins. Now, since pine does not have very many tannins in it, you can supplement them by giving it a coat of black tea. Basically, any kind of black tea has tannins in it. So on this test piece, this was done with straight ebonizing solution directly on the pine, and this one I coated it with a little bit of black tea before I put the ebonizing solution on. So you can see there's a bit of difference there. There's kind of a warmer light brown versus a more rich coffee kind of brown. But it doesn't last too long. So after about a month, I tested it again, and it's kind of this grayish. Takes about a few days to a week before it's usable, and then it does not last more than a month in my opinion. But maybe there's better ways to keep it. But in the meantime, just keep steel wool and vinegar on hand. From what I can tell, one advantage of using ebonizing solutions on wood is once it's dry, the wood is stained, but the wood itself is unaffected. You don't fill any of the grain in. You're not disrupting anything, so you can still use wood glue just like you would normally. I will, however, say that it does discolor the glue itself. This is some regular glue squeeze out, and this is glue squeeze out from an ebonized piece of wood, so your squeeze out gets even more nasty. I'm starting to see some bubbles form in there, and just wanted to remind you, you don't want to seal this tight because it does off-gas. Actually, it's hydrogen gas, it's off-gassing. So I just give it a little cover that doesn't pressurize it.